Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells you want to change. Click and drag or press Ctrl plus A for the entire sheet. Next, inspect whether the color is a cell fill, font color, or produced by conditional formatting, because each has a different removal method. Make a quick backup now, save a copy, so you can undo large changes safely. Once done, move to the Home tab to remove fills or formatting. This is the first actionable step. You will now remove the visible colors. On the Home tab, choose Fill Color and pick No Fill to clear background shading. For text color, open Font Color and select Automatic to restore default text appearance. If cells have multiple manual formats, use Clear Formats from the editing group to strip most manual formatting at once. However, note this does not remove conditional formats. Make sure to check a few cells after each action, because visual confirmation prevents accidental loss of needed styles. If color still appears, it's likely from conditional formatting. Go to Home, choose Conditional Formatting, and clear rules from selected cells or the entire sheet. You can also use Find and Select to locate cells governed by rules before clearing them, so you don't lose intended behavior. Once cleared, verify with a quick scan. If you accidentally removed desired styling, use your backup or immediately press Ctrl plus C. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.